Keep your home warmer this winter with our easy-to-install window insulation kit. Say goodbye to cold drafts, say hello to lower heating bills. Window insulation kits create an effective barrier against the cold, decreasing heat loss and preventing condensation. Designed to fit most normal-sized single-paned windows, they're a quick seasonal fix and can potentially reduce heating costs by 30%. A breeze to install, window film is a practical way to improve the performance of older windows. Our kit includes tape and pre-cut shrink film that fits standard window sizes. Once applied, you can't access the window to open it anymore, so make sure to install once the cold weather has set in. Start by gathering your tools. Have scissors and a hairdryer at the ready, along with the kit. Be aware of weather conditions, since cold temps may keep the tape from sticking. If the surface of your window is below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, heat it with the hairdryer before applying the tape. Begin by cleaning your window, windowsills, and window frame thoroughly. Cleaning your windows ensures good visibility, and cleaning the frames makes for better adhesion. Wipe away any excess moisture from the window and frame. At this point, remember to lock your windows if desired. Then, apply the double-sided tape around the window on the frame, leaving on the backing. Don't try to apply the film beyond the frame to the wall. It won't adhere to drywall or wallpaper. Once you have framed the entire window, press firmly on the tape and let it rest for 15 minutes to let the adhesive bond with the frame. Peel off the tape's paper backing and align the film carefully at the top. Make sure to leave a 2-inch overhang and apply. Press film securely to the tape. Then work your way down, smoothing the film as you go and leaving a 2-inch extra margin on all sides. Try to keep the film as straight as possible. If you mess up, carefully peel back and readjust. Once the film is fully applied to the window, you'll use the hairdryer on the highest setting to shrink the film and make it taut and crease-free. Hold the dryer about 1/4 inch from the film, starting at one corner and moving slowly back and forth across the entire film surface. Don't let the hairdryer come into contact with the film. It will melt the plastic. Check that all the wrinkles are gone. Once the film is shrunk, you can take scissors or a razor blade to the edges, cutting off any excess plastic. When the weather warms up again in the spring, the film is easy to remove. Just heat the tape with a hairdryer and slowly peel off. Window insulation is a cost-effective way to make your home cozier, help you save money on energy bills, and reduce your carbon footprint.